Hello everyone, my name is Bradley Sword, and in this hopefully quick video today, we're going to take a look at how to draw text in GameMaker version 2. So this is the year 2023 in my world. It'll obviously be some point past that in yours when you're watching this video, so hopefully this video is relevant to your needs. So let's take a look at GameMaker and let's get started. Okay, so here is the blank GameMaker project. Basically, all I did was open up the default room that comes with any default project. I just changed the resolution just to make myself feel a little better about everything. And so a few things to note, again, it's blank, so let me just create an object. So you can basically call code to draw anywhere you want, but only Okay, so for more advanced things, this will draw using whatever the default font is. So you will have to use a font if you want to be able to actually do something in a graphic style different than just whatever that default is. So you can create a font, and depends. In my case, it seems like there's a million different fonts to choose from. I'm just going to pick a random one. There we go. Just something else. So doing everything more fun. Yeah, we'll use food light, empty light, and let's see. Whatever, I can make regular style. I can change it to 40 font here, 40 point, 40 size, and we'll just call this default font or something. And so that is saved. Now to be able to use that thing, I can go over here and I can say set color, and I can say draw set font, and I have to type in exactly that default font. Exactly, case sensitive and all, so whatever I typed in over here has to match. And now you will see that my hello will print out slightly differently. And there it is, in bigger font. And so now it's just a matter of tinkering with a lot of the other details here. And so like draw set font, draw set color. I can change this to yellow or whatever I want. I see the yellow hello, and I was just thinking I would see it. That's, I guess, from a minute ago. And then the other interesting things here, at least there's a few of them, but you can have the alignment. So you can center justify, left justify, right justify. And by FA, not the A. And so by doing something like this, I can set the horizontal alignment, and by centering it, now you'll see that the hello probably goes off the screen a little bit, because basically it tries to figure out at 2020 on the screen, wherever that, right around here where my cursor is, that's about the middle point of this, that word hello being printed to the screen. So it tries to center from that point the words that you're trying to do. And so FA left is the default here. That's exactly what this. We could just show it a few different ways here. So I can just show it center justified, left justified, and right justified. And so left justified means that basically everything will read left to right starting from whatever point you give it. Center we just discussed. And then right means basically everything goes right to left from that position. So now you will see three totally different ways that hello is drawn to the screen. Oops, and my mistake, I didn't update the y coordinates, so everything is drawing right on top of one another, so it doesn't much matter. You wouldn't be able to read it anyway. And so now you can kind of see, here is my left justification, and everything starting from 2020 moves over to the right. Here's my center, so starting from 2020, everything is centered, even though this goes off the screen. And then starting from 2020, everything goes right to the left. And you can see you can barely read what's going on. And so, there's a lot to unpack here. It's only a couple commands that you need to use, but you have to be careful with how you use them, obviously, and the fonts that you use. So my recommendation is whenever you want to print something to the screen, you basically have to go in and say, set the font, set the color, set the whatever else, the alignment or whatever separate, because if someone else goes in and uses that and changes it up on you, you're not going to realize it, especially as you get to more complicated games. So basically treat every print statement like it's the only one, or it's one of many, and change it every detail to what you want so that you don't have any issues later on down the road. Because all it takes is one mistake and you don't think about something, and then your text isn't printing out correctly forevermore. And maybe you see it and maybe you won't. Maybe it'll get out into production, or maybe it won't. So this is just basics on how to get text going. If you have comments or would you like to see more, please comment below and I'll see about making those videos. Thanks for sticking it out with me as always here. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you in future videos.